Alright, this is gonna be a video of a Walmart chapter ceiling fan. This fan is not very much to write home about, but I figured why not film it. It replaced the Lasco American Classic. It had a bad capacitor towards the end though, so it's better than nothing, so it's better than the old fan. But I'm sure at the beginning, when it was first put up, this was way worse. But it about blows as much air as the Lasco did when it had the bad capacitor. And it's brand freaking new, so. Well, not brand new, it's like a couple years old. But anyway. If I were to move into a house with one of these, I'd immediately want to take it down. I probably wouldn't even use it because you can hardly hear anything on medium. It's not moving much air at all. You can just hear how cheap this thing is when you're pulling those chains. It's like, it sounds like plastic. And thank God this isn't the main light of this room, because it does put out some, but it's not very much. Here's the airflow. I mean, it puts out a decent area for a smaller space, but this room is pretty big, so it does not do the job.